Evening bushcrafters, survivalists and preppers. What are we going to do today? In our prepping environment is what I'm going to have a look at today. For those who are thinking about survival disaster. And what I want to discover today, what I want to have a look at today is solar chargers. Okay, solar chargers are affordable these days. You know, this one I picked up off eBay for £10 and it charges just about all my pads and phones and cameras. Everything that's 5 volt DC, it'll charge. But we're going to have a look down below and see what she's about, this little baby. Anyway, down below, let's have a closer look. Decent screen, I mean tough-ish, rugged. I don't think it would take too much dropping. I haven't dropped this yet, but they're quite rugged. Water resistant, okay. This model is an All Powers APS 12,000 solar charger. Find that on eBay, type that into eBay. Rewind that and you'll get it again. Anyway, these aren't too tough on them, to be honest with you, and I lent this to a friend last night to charge his e-cig, bless him, and I come back and that was lying on the like that. But anyway, that's not a big deal. I'm not worried about that. I'll super glue that back on. But these aren't very waterproof. That's all I'm saying. Let me put that into focus. They are just covers, so I wouldn't imagine you could leave it fully submerged for too long before you would have problems. You know, and I don't know how waterproof that is, but it does advertise as water resistant, and you can. I have poured stuff on it, and it works. But anyway, let's have a close look at it. There's 5 LEDs that tells us the charging rate, and if I press and hold that down, they'll come on. There you go. It's on now. On/off switch. When you put it in daylight, these will come on anyway to let you know the power is a bit like a solar calculator. If you put it against your chest, it'll go out. Same with this. Also, there is a little, LED light. Press twice, and we've got a pretty strong in the dark. I'm sorry, I'm on a studio lighting here at the moment, but it's certainly bright enough for what we want. Press it twice, and off she goes. There are 2 outputs, 2 USB outputs, one on either side. Both can be used at the same time, so you can charge 2 units and leave this in the daylight, not necessarily the sunlight. It'll work in cloudy situations. It comes with this particular model comes with this, which you can hang it on your bag and what have you. There is an input mini USB, so you can charge it off your computer or anything else you want, or out of your cigarette lighter in your car, just to give it a bit of a boost. So there's an input, 2 outputs. It does run on 5 volt, 200 mega amp, which is all your phones and what have you, which I'll plug in now actually. I'll plug this old Galaxy in. Let's see what happens. Hey, I'll try and plug it in. Sorry, everything's going pear-shaped in this one. There you go. And on she goes, and she's charging. And that'll charge. I use this regularly because I am outdoors all the time and I haven't got power, so this does the job. So if I've got a problem with me vapor, and let me just see, sorry, I'm a vapor man, as you'll see on my vaping channel. You're into vaping, Pete's Place. There you go, it's charging that up as well, so it does the job. That's what I'm saying. So it'll charge your appliances up, it'll charge your pads up, just the same. We've got a situation that we can power up our electrical gear with us. You know, we don't need a generator, we don't need to tap into a phone line to get power out of it or anything like that, which, but incidentally, we can do. But anyway, I think that's it down below. I think I've covered that down below. We'll take that out. That comes with it as well, with this particular model. But look it up. What is really good, this is from China, so we know we get stuff from China, which is a good price. This is £10. This isn't £50 or £100. This is £10. for charging up your equipment, using your GPS, whatever you want to do. Anyway, let's go back up top. Anyway, there we are, back up top, with it plugged in, everything charging well, doing well. As I say, keep it all together, hang that on your bag so it's charging, or wherever, on your pocket. As soon as it hits daylight, like a solar powered calculator, it comes into action and this light comes on in the daytime. So just useful to have around. They're useful to have around in the daytime, never mind in a survival situation. I'd suggest you invest in a bigger unit for prepping and a few of these knocking around for prepping and survival and bushcraft. Anyway, this is Pete at Pete's Place signing out saying please don't forget to subscribe.